I'm Jim Miller, corporate chef for Cres Cor. We're here at the Cres Cor William R. Baggett Hospitality and Conference Center. We're going to take a look at cooking with our QuikTherm ovens today, and we'll also get into some roast and hold ovens and hopefully smoking, different things down the road. But this is the first in a series of videos that we're going to do for you. Never hesitate to call if you have any questions. Okay, let's get the oven set up. We're going to do some fresh roasted vegetables now. What we want to do is set the, we're only going to use the dry side. There's enough moisture in the vegetable itself. So we'll put the cook, I want to do them at 350, our maximum, so we push set. I'll set the holding, and I'm going to take it up to about 150. We'll push set. And the timer, it should take about 20 minutes for those roasted vegetables. We'll push set. And automatically jumps into preheat. As soon as it's ready, we'll load the vegetables and away we go. Okay, so we've done a little prep work here because we want to do some fresh roasted vegetables in the oven. We have some school districts doing this already with different items. One that was shown to me, I'll share with you, is some fresh cut cauliflower, broccoli, some pepper, some nice sweet pepper, and sweet onions. So virtually taking those fresh vegetables and an Italian dressing, nothing fancy, that'll be the seasoning for it. So let it marinate just a few minutes as we toss those vegetables. A few like to jump out of the pan always, that's the way it goes. We want to get those mixed a little bit. Nice colorful vegetables that are going to be delicious. You get some of the onion, the pepper, the broccoli, and the cauliflower mixed up with the dressing. And then load it onto your sheet tray. Pretty much rule of thumb, 1 4-inch deep hotel pan will give you enough to fill one sheet tray. And I did put the silicone baking paper on there so it's easier to clean later. Alright, we'll get this loaded into our oven. Okay, the oven's up to temperature now for our roasted vegetables. So let's get them loaded and get them cooking. So that's the broccoli, cauliflower, pepper. We just push start and let the oven do the rest. It'll start counting down now. Set at 350. It's 19 minutes and 50 seconds left. When it gets to 0, the vegetables will be ready to pull out and serve. All right, we took fresh cauliflower, broccoli, red pepper, sweet onion. You can use Vidalia, you can use a Walla Walla onion, something sweet. And 20 minutes ago, we put the into the oven at 350. That's the alarm, and we've gone to 0 on the timer. The oven is switched to a hold cycle, holding mode. You can see that beautiful steam coming off the vegetables. Beautiful color. Nice oven roasted vegetables. The kids will love them. If you see the low water switch illuminated, it's like, oops, I need to add a little bit of water to the control. That's all that means. It's not going to hurt anything. So just simply get another pitcher of water and you can add it to the water tank down below. Here we have the humidity water tank for the QuikTherm oven. Simply remove the cover. You'll see the heating element down below that'll heat the water. And there's also 2 float valves. Just fill it with 4 gallons of water. Replace the top. And you're ready to go. In draining to clean out the water tank in the bottom of the unit, You can slide the oven over a floor drain in the kitchen, long as one is available. If not, you can also take a 12 by 20 pan, slide it beneath the unit itself, and then do the same process. Just pull that green handle toward the front. That'll open the front drain valve, and you can get the water out of the unit for cleaning and sanitizing. Tool. We do have a guideline for you that's set up for retherming most of the normal foods that are used in every school food service operation. So you can find these online at our website at crescor.com, or simply reach out to us, send us a note, and we'd be more than happy to send you some laminated ones to put on your ovens till your people get acclimated to the oven itself. Okay, well, we just wanted to thank you for taking the time to learn a bit more about the QuikTherm oven from Cres Cor, and we will continue to do different food items and different things to help you along. If you see something that you're curious about, please get in touch with us. You can reach us on the 800 number or at the website at crescor.com, and we thank you for your patronage and all your support. Have a great day.